It started with a simple WhatsApp forward, click this link to get 5000 rupees cash back on your electricity bill. Man loses 12 lakh rupees to KYC scam. Girl's photo morphed, shared on social media. Hospital data held hostage in ransomware attack. Every day, somewhere in India, a child is being bullied online, senior citizens are tricked into losing their pension, a young professional's dream job turns into a nightmare scam. Cybercrime is real. It's growing. And no, it's not just tech people who get hit. It could be you, today, tomorrow, or right now as you're watching this video. But today, we fight back with knowledge. Welcome to this eye-opening episode of Pharma Health Insights, where we break down the world of cybercrime in India, real victim stories, the most dangerous digital traps, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself and report these crimes before it's too late. Let's break it down. Cybercrime is any crime committed using a computer, smartphone, or the internet. These crimes include hacking, online banking fraud, OTP scams, phishing, cyberstalking, job scams, deepfake and photo morphing, identity theft, crypto scams, ransomware and many more. Very recently, a retired bank manager in Pune lost 18 lakh rupees to a fake RBI helpline. The caller had all her details, including Aadhaar and PAN. It was terrifying how real it sounded. What's scarier? These crimes are not just financial. They attack your trust, your privacy, your peace of mind. Let's look at the top 7 cyber crimes in India, with real cases. Number 1 on my list is the phishing and fake links case. Ajay from Delhi clicked a fake Paytm KYC update link. The page looked identical to the real site. He entered his card details, and within 4 minutes, 1.2 lakh rupees was wiped out. Second is the online job scams case. Shruti, a fresh graduate, got a message from HR at Amazon on Telegram. She was asked to do simple data entry tasks, but before payment, they demanded a 4,000 rupees processing fee. Then 7,000 rupees for bond charges. She lost 11,000 rupees in total. The job never existed. The third is the cyberbullying and image morphing case. A Hyderabad college girl's Instagram photo was morphed into obscene content and circulated in student WhatsApp groups. She had to quit college. Police caught the culprit. It was her ex. Fourth on the list is the identity theft. Your PAN, Aadhaar, or mobile number is stolen. Fake accounts are opened, loans are taken, and one day, you get a notice for AMI defaults. At number 5 we have the investment and trading fraud case. Over 2,000 people in Kerala were duped through a fake app that promised daily returns in crypto trading. The total scam? 89 crore rupees. Now at number 6 we have the fake tech support, IRA scams. You get a call from Microsoft or Income Tax Department saying your account is hacked or flagged. They ask you to install an app and boom, remote access granted. Last but not the least we have the dreaded ransomware case. Hackers encrypted the data of AIIMS Delhi in 2022. No patient data, no access. The demand? Several crores in Bitcoin. Scary, right? But knowledge is power. Let's now talk solutions, real, practical steps to stay safe. To tackle these crimes happening very frequently nowadays, all you need is cyber immunity. Let me tell you how to build yours today with these top 10 precautions. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication for all apps. Never share OTPs, ever. Don't click unknown links or QR codes. Install antivirus on all devices. Block suspicious numbers and report spam. Check for HTTPS before entering bank details. Monitor your bank statement and credit report monthly. Don't overshare on social media, travel, IDs, etc. Teach elders and children basic cyber hygiene, and use official apps only, Aadhaar, UIDAI, etc. Just like brushing your teeth prevents cavities, these digital habits protect your online life. Make them routine. What to do if you are a victim? If you fall into a trap, remember, panic is your enemy. Speed is your weapon. Let's see step by step what can be done if you are a victim. First, block your cards immediately. Call up the bank helpline. Then, screenshot all chats, calls, and transactions. Immediately visit https://cybercrime.gov.in. Call 1930, India's 24/7 cyber fraud helpline. Finally, visit local police or cybercrime cell with ID and evidence. Let me now guide you on how to report cyber crimes in India. Before we start, first save this website address, https://cybercrime.gov.in, and the helpline number, 1930, which is for financial frauds. First, let's go through the online process. First, go to the site, then, select, report financial fraud, or, women, child-related crime, fill the FIR form, attach the proof, finally, track complaint using ticket ID. Now the offline process, visit the nearest cyber police station, file the FIR, yes, you have the right. Do not forget to carry ID, screenshots and transaction proof. Even if the fraud is small, 500 rupees or 5 lakh rupees, reporting helps law enforcement identify patterns and catch big fish. So far, we've talked about the threats, the traps, the victims, and what you can personally do to protect yourself. But now let's ask, what is the Indian government doing about all this? And the good news is, a lot. The Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center is the backbone of India's fight against cybercrime. It's a national level setup under the Ministry of Home Affairs that helps state police forces investigate and track cybercriminals across states and even international borders. They have a centralized system for data collection, criminal profiling, and coordination between multiple law enforcement agencies. So the crime you report in Mumbai can be traced to a hacker in Kolkata. Think of Swachhta Kendra as India's digital hygiene campaign. It's a part of CERT-In, India's computer emergency response team, and offers free tools to detect and remove malware from your system. Not many people know this, but these tools are designed especially for Indian users, so even if you don't speak tech, it's very user-friendly. The Cyber Surakshit Bharat initiative is aimed more at government officers and organizations, but it trickles down to us too. It's about building capacity, training officials to recognize cyber threats, prevent breaches, and educate the public. And yes, even PSUs and ministries are being put through cybersecurity boot camps. CERT-In is like our digital watchdog. They constantly monitor threats from malware, phishing campaigns, foreign hacker groups, you name it. They issue real-time alerts and advisories. If there's a wave of phishing emails pretending to be from SBI or IRCTC, they're the first to warn us. Now here's the exciting part, tools that you can use today. UMANG App. This app gives you access to over 1000 plus government services, including the cybercrime complaint portal. So, you don't need a laptop, just your smartphone. Dost, Twitter handle, @CyberDost, a brilliant initiative by the Ministry of Home Affairs. They post daily safety tips in simple Hindi and English, bite-sized, relatable, and very shareable. Follow them. You'll thank me later. DigiLocker. Instead of carrying your PAN, Aadhaar or voter ID physically, store them securely in DigiLocker. Less risk of identity theft, and legally valid too. So, it's clear, we're not alone in this fight. The government is setting up the digital infrastructure. But awareness and action start with us. Don't wait to be a victim. Use these tools. Stay connected. And more importantly, stay alert. You lock your doors at night. Why not your digital gates? Cybercrime is the fastest growing crime in India. But it's also the easiest to prevent, if you know what to look for. Be aware. Be alert. Report cybercrime. Protect what matters. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to Pharma Health Insights. The content in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. While every effort has been made to ensure accuracy, viewers are advised to consult official government portals or authorities for legal guidance. Pharma Health Insights is not responsible for any decisions made based on this content.